Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video I am going to be replacing the standard halogen backup bulbs on this 2008 Honda Civic with Auxito LEDs. Now when you go online, they do make two different size bulbs for this year of car. They make the smaller size T15s and also the 7443s. So be sure to check on what size bulb you need before ordering. Let's get started. To replace your backup bulbs on this 2008 Honda Civic, all you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver and your LED bulbs from Auxito. So the first step you're going to need to do is remove these three pins. And you do that with a flathead screwdriver. Just give them a turn and they'll come out. Get a hold of it, pull towards yours. Pull slightly out while turning, and then these pins will come right out. Do that for this pin up here and also the pin on this side, so there'll be three in total. And you can remove this access panel, which is covering up your taillight assembly. Now that you have all three pins out, you can just go ahead and pull that fabric out of your way, and then you'll have access to all of your bulbs for your taillight assembly. You take a look, the backup bulb is going to be located on this side. So we'll trace it down, come on and around back, and you'll see that it'll be this wire harness here. So to remove that bulb, just give it a turn counterclockwise, give it a little wiggle, and your bulb will come out. Now that you have your bulb harness removed, pull your bulb out. Grab your Auxito LEDs, take it and replace it back into the harness until it's seated fully. Line your bulb back up with the hole inside. Now go ahead and repeat the process on the other side. Now that you got your bulb replaced, go ahead and push back this fabric liner and go ahead and reinsert your clips here. Just push them in, and then you're gonna have to screw them back in. Here's a quick look at the standard halogen backup bulbs. As you can see, they're pretty dim. It's real hard to see backing up at nighttime. And here's a look at the backup bulbs with Auxito LEDs. What a difference that makes. So much brighter than the standard halogen bulbs. Backing up this little car at night was a challenge with the standard halogens, but with these Auxito LEDs it's going to be a lot nicer. If you've ever had to do a lot of backing up at night in this 08 Honda Civic, you understand how dim those backup bulbs are, the standard halogens. As you could see in the video, it was quite simple to replace the bulbs with these Auxito LEDs, and what a difference it makes. Just being able to see where you're backing up at night. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get your Auxito LED bulbs, and remember before you make a purchase that you check to see if you have the T15s like my car had or the 7443s. Thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.